Welcome to Beautiful Home. Take a deep breath. Imagine walking into a space that instantly makes you exhale. The lights are soft, textures are inviting, and every detail feels intentional, but never stiff. In 2026, Cozy Home Decor is no longer about clutter or heavy layers. It's about warm minimalism, emotional comfort, and homes that truly support the way we live. Today, I'm sharing 5 cozy home decor ideas for 2026 that will help you create a space that feels calm, elegant, and deeply comforting, without overdoing it. In 2026, cozy interiors are moving away from cold whites and sharp contrasts. Instead, we're seeing a beautiful rise of soft, warm neutrals. Think creamy whites, oat beige, mushroom gray, soft taupe, and warm sand tones. These colors don't shout, they whisper. They reflect light gently and create a soothing backdrop that instantly relaxes the nervous system. The key is layering these shades rather than relying on a single color. Pair a warm beige sofa with creamy curtains, a soft ivory rug, and light wood accents. This tonal approach adds depth while keeping the space visually calm. Cozy homes in 2026 feel unified, not busy, and warm neutrals are the foundation of that feeling. If there's one rule for cozy decor in 2026, it's this: texture matters more than trends. Boucle, soft linen, brushed cotton, chunky knits, wool rugs, ceramic finishes, and raw wood surfaces are doing the heavy lifting when it comes to atmosphere. Instead of filling your home with many decorative objects, focus on how things feel. A textured throw over the sofa, a hand-woven rug underfoot, or ceramic vases with a slightly imperfect finish instantly make a space feel lived in and warm. The magic happens when smooth and rough textures are layered together. This contrast creates visual interest without chaos. Harsh overhead lighting has no place in a cozy 2026 home. Instead, think in layers of light. Table lamps, floor lamps, wall sconces, and even subtle LED accents create a soft glow that wraps the room in warmth. Choose warm light temperatures and lampshades made from fabric, paper, or frosted glass. The goal is to avoid sharp shadows and create a gentle, evening-like atmosphere, even during the day. Cozy homes in 2026 feel calm at any hour, and lighting is one of the most powerful tools to achieve that. If you're enjoying these ideas, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, give this video a like, and leave a comment telling me which cozy idea you love the most. Your support truly helps beautiful home grow. In 2026, cozy furniture is all about comfort-first design. Sofas are deeper, chairs are softer, and silhouettes feel relaxed rather than rigid. Curved shapes are especially popular because they naturally feel more welcoming and organic. Choose pieces that encourage slowing down: an armchair you can curl up in, a sofa with plush cushions, or an ottoman that doubles as a coffee table. Low-profile furniture also helps create a grounded, calming atmosphere. Cozy homes don't rush you, they invite you to stay a little longer. True coziness doesn't come from copying a showroom, it comes from personal touches. In 2026, meaningful decor takes center stage. Favorite books, framed photos, handmade ceramics, candles, and objects with emotional value. Instead of decorating every surface, choose a few items that genuinely matter to you. A stack of books on the coffee table, a vintage tray, or a simple vase with seasonal branches can say more than a shelf full of decor. Cozy homes feel authentic because they reflect the people who live in them. Cozy home decor in 2026 is not about trends, it's about how your home makes you feel. It's softer, calmer, and more intentional than ever before. By embracing warm neutrals, rich textures, gentle lighting, inviting furniture, and personal details, you create a space that supports rest, creativity, and everyday joy. Your home doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to feel safe, warm, and yours. Thank you for spending this time with me on Beautiful Home. Until next time, may your space always feel calm, cozy, and beautifully lived in.